Veedy AI has just been released and it's already making waves as one of the most innovative AI tools in the market. But what exactly makes Veedy AI stand out from the crowd? In this review, I'll share 7 crucial things you need to know before you dive into this software. Stick around until the end because I'll be revealing something that could save you time and money with your AI tools. First off, Veedy AI is built to simplify the content creation process. Whether you're a marketer, a content creator, or someone looking to scale their digital presence, Veedy AI is designed to automate a lot of the grunt work. This software uses advanced algorithms to help you craft content that's not only optimized, but also engaging, without all the manual effort. You can generate high-quality blog posts, social media content, and much more at a fraction of the time it would take manually. One of the biggest highlights of Veedy AI is its user-friendly interface. You don't need to be an expert in AI to get started. The software offers intuitive tools and preset templates that guide you through the content creation process, making it accessible to people of all skill levels. This is a huge plus, especially for beginners who might feel overwhelmed by other complex AI platforms. When it comes to customization, Veedy AI doesn't disappoint. You can tailor the output to match your brand's tone and style. If you've ever used an AI tool that produces generic or robotic content, you'll appreciate the ability to adjust the tone and structure to make your content sound natural and authentic. Veedy allows for that personalization so your content resonates with your audience, whether you're aiming for a professional or casual voice. The speed at which Veedy AI generates content is another strong point. This tool significantly speeds up the process of producing high-quality material. So if you're under tight deadlines or need to churn out a lot of content quickly, Veedy AI is a game changer. It automates what used to take hours into just a few minutes, helping you stay ahead of the competition. But it's not all about speed and ease of use. Veedy AI is backed by some powerful analytics features. You can track how your content is performing in real time, measure engagement, and adjust your strategy based on data. This level of insight ensures you're not just creating content for the sake of it, but actually creating content that drives results. One feature I really appreciate is the collaborative tools within Veedy AI. If you're working as part of a team, you can easily share and edit documents, making the content creation process seamless. It also allows for real-time collaboration, so everyone stays on the same page. Veedy AI also integrates with several popular platforms, which makes it extremely versatile. Whether you're using it for social media, email marketing, or your website, it integrates seamlessly with tools like WordPress, Shopify, and major social networks. This connectivity makes it easy to streamline your digital marketing workflow. Finally, if you're on the fence about whether Veedy AI is right for you, don't worry. You can try it completely free through the first link in the description below. This way, you can experience all the features firsthand without any commitment. Trust me, after trying thousands of AI tools, I only recommend the best, and Veedy AI is definitely one of them. So there you have it. 7 crucial things you need to know about Veedy AI. If you want to explore other AI software options that I've tried and tested, be sure to check out the links in the description. I've got a list of my recommended tools that you can try for free, helping you make informed decisions based on what works for your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.